They say Polar Hair Dye Shampoo is the easy, mess-free way to cover grays. Just apply it like regular shampoo, wait 10 minutes, rinse, and boom, natural color without harsh chemicals. Sounds ideal, right? But in 2026, with so many miracle dyes online, the real question is this product legit? Or is it just slick marketing and hype? Let's break it down. At first glance, Polar's pitch is very attractive. According to their marketing, the formula uses plant-based extracts like ginseng, reishi mushroom, black sesame, and other botanicals to gently deposit color. They explicitly claim no ammonia, no peroxide, and they promise gray-free hair in 10 minutes with a simple, mess-free shampoo application. That's a strong promise, especially for people who hate traditional box dyes. But here's where things get complicated. Customer experiences are very mixed. Some users love it, saying it's super convenient and less damaging than normal dyes, but a lot of others complain about weak gray coverage or slow delivery. Some investigations raise concerns about the formula. Polar claims all natural ingredients, but they don't fully disclose the entire list. Some key dye ingredients can cause allergic reactions for many people. Without transparency, it's hard to fully trust their natural, non-toxic pitch. On effectiveness, several users report that the 10-minute timing is optimistic. Some say you need to leave it on longer. And even then, gray hairs don't always fully take the color. Others mention that the color fades quickly, so the long-lasting promise doesn't always hold up. Reddit and other forums reveal more issues. Some users say orders took over a month, with some products never arriving. Others say the application is messier than advertised. It's supposed to lather like shampoo, but it can stain bathtubs, skin, and clothes. One user even reported that the black version gave only patchy coverage and dried out hair. There are also concerns about authenticity. Some buyers believe they received counterfeit versions, which makes trusting the quality even harder. On the positive side, Polar offers a money-back guarantee in some cases. Some users genuinely say it works well enough for light gray coverage or touch-ups, especially for dark hair tones. So, what's the bottom line? Is this product a scam, or is it legit? My verdict: Polar Hair Dye Shampoo is not a full-blown scam, but it's far from foolproof. For some people, especially those wanting a quick, semi-natural solution for grays, it could be useful. But for others, especially if you have stubborn grays, sensitive skin, or high expectations, the results may disappoint, and there's a risk of counterfeit products or poor customer service. If you decide to try it, do a patch test for allergies. Order from a reliable source. Be realistic about gray coverage, and don't expect permanent dye-level performance. If this review helped you decide whether Polar Hair Dye Shampoo is worth your money, remember to like, comment, or share so others don't fall into the same trap. Stay curious, stay safe, and always research before ordering. Any quick-fix dye